In the paid links menu item, this is where you're going to earn for every ad that you view. All ads reset after 24 hours and you'll be able to see them again. To get credit, all you'll do is click on an advertisement and a rotation will run. You will see a countdown timer that appears in your upper left corner. If you're on a mobile device, a similar thing will happen there. The experience will look a little different for mobile, but as you see the advertisements, when this countdown timer completes, then you will have earned credit for the offer, and you can simply close the tab and you move to the next one. Notice that this offer is going to disappear when you view the paid link section again. The reason being is we don't want you to see it again for 24 hours, but you'll be able to come back and earn on this again the very next day. This concludes the paid link section. It's very simple. Don't overthink it. That's how you earn. That's how you surf for ads. You view other advertisers' offers. And with what they have paid for in the advertisement section, this is how you get compensated for it. Every hit is a view. Okay? That's it for this section. We'll see you in